Keith Schroeder. I'm a fourth generation farmer, starting from great-grandfather coming from Germany in the 1890s. I've been farming since 1975, so approximately, now I got to do the math, but 40 some years. Farmed originally with my brother and then moved out here on this farm we live on now in 1983. Been married to my wife Carol for 42 years, and we have 4 children and 10 grandchildren. I have 3 sons that are partners now. We farm approximately 5,200 acres. Major crop, 2/3 of our crop is corn, and 1/3, actually a little more than 1/3, is soybeans. And of those soybeans, we raise about 30%, 35% is non-GMO food grade. I'm pretty much responsible for everything at this point. You know, I'm kind of that catch-all guy right now, I guess. I've been involved for many, many years with the local Corn and Soybean Growers Association in our county. And then for 9 years, I was on the Minnesota Soybean Research and Promotion Council. And now I'm presently still involved with a national group called the Specialty Soya and Grains Alliance. I've always raised soybeans since I've started farming, and I've been farming probably 45 years. So it's just evolved. It's been a profitable crop most years. With that being said, I have gotten into value added as well, you know, raising the food soybeans to try and increase farm income. Number one, we look at crop rotation, and one thing we found is, and that's why we raise a lot more corn than soybeans, is we've factored in having basically 2 years of corn and then raising 1 year of soybeans in a rotation like that. So that seems to give us some advantages on disease. But with that being said, yeah, we're looking at the nutrition, soil tests, you know, grid sample soil tests, look at previous crop history and try and tweak the prescriptions for fertility on soybeans. And then when we get into production practices, weed control is you know, always kind of tricky, especially with resistance problems. And raising non-GMO soybeans is a little harder than raising what I'd call production beans.